All right, so that vent was pretty dirty, but it's not the worst I've seen. This customer says he hasn't had his dryer vent cleaned in about 5 years. So I'm gonna open it up, take a look, see what's going on. This is the vent. I've got airflow from the dryer here, so that's good. So depending on how long this vent is, it might not be too bad, or it could be full. We'll find out when we open it up. All right, so we got some debris in here for sure. We'll see how much we have built up in the pipe. Okay, I'm gonna go turn the blower on all the way. All right, so that vent was pretty dirty, but it's not the worst I've seen. Vent like this, that's maybe 12 to 15 feet long, pretty much a straight run with a proper dryer vent cap at the top. This is an older style, but it is functional. I'd say clean a vent like this about once every 1 to 2 years. He had gone 5 years and had that amount of buildup, but it was still functioning. So it all just kind of depends on what dryer you have, how the vent is built, what cap you have, and so on. And of course, if you are in Austin and you want your dryer vent inspected or cleaned, give me a call.